At the behest of my lovely wife, today we'll be fixing a Cricut Joy. Oh joy. It's got some bad rollers, so we're going to have to take a look at those. As you can see, the rollers are old. We're going to replace them. Like a surgeon, let's unfurl our tools. Right now is the best time to remove a blade if you have one attached. As you can see, I didn't, but I'll remember to do it later. First thing to do is to pop these little rubber bits off. Underneath are some Phillips head screws. We'll use our handy dandy little screwdriver here with a Phillips head bit and unscrew. There's 4 screws in total, and we'll use the tray of our iFixit kit to hold the screws themselves. With the screws out, we're going to need a spudger, and we're going to do some prying. As you can see, there's little teeth that hold these plastic panels in place, and you will need to put some effort into prying them up. A spudger does make life a little easier. Once inside, we'll unscrew 4 interior screws that hold the top panel. They're a little bit hard to get to, so angle your screwdriver appropriately and unscrew them. This last screw was particularly difficult, so just take your time with it. With the last screw out, grab the sides and pry up a little bit. Use it like little wings. From the top of the machine, use your spudger and pry up a little bit. Don't worry, you too can sacrifice little teeth. More on that later. With all of the teeth unlocked or broken, pry open the last little part of the top and pull out the top. As you can see, I sacrificed 2 little dientes. Poor teeth. But sacrifices must be made. Here we're going to use our pliers. These springs are somewhat difficult to pull out. They're tight little springs, so put a little elbow grease into it and pull back with your pliers. Now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver bit to pull out the retaining clip, which will free the roller bar. With the clips removed, pull out this little retaining bracket and the roller will be free. Now open up the Cricut Joy and wiggle the roller out. It'll roll out at an angle. It will require a little bit of prying, but just be gentle. Use your mente and please remove any tools before trying to pry out the roller. With the bar out, you can now inspect the wheels. As you can see, it comes out pretty easy. If your Cricut Joy is as loved as mine is, your roller wheels will come off very easy because they're worn out. These rubber rollers can be a problem on older models of Cricut, but on the newer generations, they're using hard plastic rollers. These rollers have seen better days. Let's get those new ones installed. Looking at the wheels, you can see the old ones are a soft, pliable rubber, and the new ones are a hard, durable plastic. Before attempting to install the new roller wheels, soak them in near boiling water for about 5 minutes. This will soften the material and make it easy to install. With both roller wheels installed, time to reinstall the bar. Just like it came out, we'll put it back in. Installing it will require a little bit of force, just like it did taking it out. But guide it through, and with a little persistence, it'll pop right on in. Now reinstall the retaining bracket. Getting the retaining bracket installed can be a little bit tricky. I recommend lining up the pin, wiggling the bar into place, and kind of working it. Take your time, you'll get it done. With the retaining bracket in place, install the retaining clip. The second clip is in a little bit of a tighter area, so I use some tweezers to set the clip in place and my flathead screwdriver to lock it. Now it's time to reinstall the springs. Gently hook one side of the spring, use your needle nose pliers to grab the other side, and pull it into place. As you can see, the spring will be nice and tight when it's installed correctly. One spring down, one spring left to go. Reinstall it just like the other one and lock it into place. Now time to put the top cover back on. This is going to lock into place using the remaining teeth from when we took it out. The cover will snap into place when it's ready. With the top cover snapped in place, it's time to reinstall the interior screws. The interior screws are a little awkward, so take your time with them. Everything will be fine. Now it's time to reinstall the bottom plate. Just like the top cover, everything is going to snap into place. With everything snapped into place, it's time to reinstall the 4 bottom screws. Now, repress the 4 rubber feet. In this case, I'm just using the leftover glue that's still on the feet, but you may need to add new glue to recover them perfectly. Open up your joy, replace your blade, lock it into place, and get ready to get crafting. Now that our little bundle of joy is all patched up, let's give it a test run. While I'm just the surgeon in the hands of this operation, the actual professional is my better half, who put together this little test project to make sure everything is working perfectly. If your Cricut is under warranty, you should contact customer service before attempting this project. But if it's not, you've got nothing to lose, so give it a shot. As you can see, this project is moderately challenging. You are going to have to open up your Cricut, and you will be interacting with components that, quite frankly, you were never meant to see. But with a little time and patience, this is your chance to save your device and breathe new life into your Cricut joy. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of the joys of repairing a Cricut joy. If it's helped you, like, follow, subscribe, push the bell thingamy, and have a great day. Happy crafting!